Did you know some animals have evolved such brilliant camouflage and mimicry that even the sharpest predators can't find them? Nature's masters of disguise have perfected the art of blending in, deceiving predators, and staying out of sight. Today, we'll introduce you to the top 9 animals that are true experts in disguise, each with unique strategies for survival. From mimicking leaves and rocks to imitating other creatures, these animals have developed incredible adaptations to stay one step ahead of their enemies. Stick around to discover nature's most ingenious survival tactics. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to keep up with our amazing wildlife videos. 1. Leaf insect. The leaf insect, also known as the walking leaf, has evolved to resemble a leaf in nearly every detail. These insects can mimic the appearance of leaves so well that they even display symptoms of damage, such as brown spots or edges that look like bite marks. This helps them avoid detection by predators, which include birds, reptiles, and small mammals. Some species can change color slightly to match seasonal changes in leaf color, from green to brown or yellow. Leaf insects enhance their camouflage with behavioral adaptations. When resting, they may sway gently to imitate a leaf moving in the wind, which further confuses predators. Their incredible ability to mimic leaves down to the finest detail makes them one of the most effective examples of camouflage in the animal kingdom. 2. Mimic octopus. The mimic octopus is unique among octopuses due to its ability to mimic other marine animals. Unlike other octopuses that primarily use color-changing abilities for camouflage, the mimic octopus takes it a step further by altering its shape and behavior to resemble up to 15 different species, such as lionfish, flatfish, and even jellyfish. By imitating dangerous or venomous creatures, the mimic octopus can deter predators from attacking. This ability to adapt its disguise to the specific threat at hand is remarkable. For example, when confronted by a damselfish, the mimic octopus may impersonate a banded sea snake, which preys on damselfish. This targeted mimicry demonstrates a high level of intelligence and problem-solving, allowing the mimic octopus to thrive in a competitive marine environment. 3. Leaf-tailed gecko. The leaf-tailed gecko, found in Madagascar, has evolved to look like a dried or decaying leaf, complete with ragged edges and patterns that resemble mold or fungal growth. This camouflage is so effective that even experienced researchers find it challenging to spot these geckos in the wild. Their tails are flat and leaf-shaped, adding to the illusion and making it seem as though they are part of the foliage. In addition to their visual camouflage, leaf-tailed geckos exhibit behavioral adaptations such as flattening their bodies against tree bark or leaves to minimize their shadows. This helps them stay hidden from predators like birds and snakes. When threatened, some species may even detach their tails as a distraction to escape. 4. Stick insect. Phasmatodea. The stick insect, also known as the walking stick, takes camouflage to another level with its remarkable resemblance to twigs or branches. These insects are not only similar in color to their surroundings, but also mimic the shape and texture of sticks, complete with rough, bark-like surfaces. Stick insects are often found in dense foliage, where they remain motionless for hours, blending seamlessly with their environment. Their mimicry extends to their behavioral adaptations. When threatened, they may perform a freeze response to avoid detection or gently sway their bodies to mimic the movement of twigs in the wind. Some species can even release a foul-smelling chemical as a secondary defense mechanism against predators if they are discovered. 5. Pygmy seahorse. The pygmy seahorse is one of the smallest and most well-camouflaged creatures in the ocean. Measuring less than an inch, these tiny seahorses are nearly indistinguishable from the coral polyps they cling to. Their bodies are covered with tubercles that match the texture and color of the coral, and they can even change color over time to match the coral's hue. Living exclusively on sea fans and coral reefs, the pygmy seahorse's camouflage helps it avoid predators such as fish and cephalopods. The seahorses also stay motionless for long periods, further enhancing their ability to blend in. Their entire survival strategy revolves around their disguise, as their small size makes them particularly vulnerable. 6. Owl butterfly. The owl butterfly is known for the large eye spots on its wings, which resemble the eyes of an owl. These eye spots serve to startle or intimidate predators, such as birds, making them think they are facing a much larger creature. In addition to these eye spots, the owl butterfly's wings also have a bark-like pattern, which provides camouflage when it rests on trees with its wings closed. The owl butterfly is active during the twilight hours, which also helps reduce encounters with predators. When it does sense danger, it often lands with its wings spread to reveal the eye spots, creating a startling visual effect that gives it time to escape. This combination of mimicry and camouflage is a highly effective defense strategy. 7. Chameleon. Chameleons are famous for their ability to change color, but there is more to this talent than meets the eye. They adjust their skin color in response to light, temperature, and emotions to communicate with other chameleons, regulate their body temperature, or blend into their environment. Their skin contains special cells called chromatophores, which expand or contract to change color. While their color-changing ability is often used for camouflage, chameleons also rely on their long tongues to catch prey from a distance without being seen. Their prehensile tails and specialized feet allow them to maintain a steady grip on branches, making them nearly invisible when perched among foliage. This makes them formidable hunters as well as expert escape artists. 8. Cuttlefish. The cuttlefish has a reputation as the chameleon of the sea due to its remarkable ability to change color and texture almost instantaneously. It uses specialized cells known as chromatophores and leucophores to control its appearance, mimicking the textures of rocks, sand, or even seaweed. Cuttlefish can also produce polarized light patterns, which are invisible to some predators but can be used to communicate with other cuttlefish. In addition to using camouflage to hide from predators, cuttlefish employ these skills for hunting prey. By disguising themselves as part of the ocean floor, they can ambush unsuspecting shrimp and fish. Their sophisticated camouflage skills make cuttlefish one of the most versatile and adaptable marine animals. 9. Stonefish. The stonefish is often regarded as one of the world's most dangerous fish, not just because of its venomous spines but also due to its incredible camouflage abilities. Its bumpy, rough skin mimics the appearance of rocks and coral, allowing it to remain almost invisible on the ocean floor. This camouflage serves a dual purpose: to protect the stonefish from predators and to help it ambush prey. Stonefish can remain motionless for long periods, blending seamlessly into their surroundings. If a potential meal swims by, the stonefish uses a quick burst of suction to catch it. Its ability to stay hidden, combined with its potent venom, makes the stonefish a formidable predator in the underwater world. From the mimic octopus to the stonefish, these animals showcase nature's most ingenious ways to avoid danger and outsmart predators. Their mastery of camouflage and mimicry highlights the incredible adaptations that have evolved over millions of years, allowing them to thrive in environments where survival is a constant challenge. Want to see more incredible survival strategies? Don't miss our next video. Meet the 10 ultimate survivors of the desert. Discover the amazing ways animals endure extreme conditions in the world's toughest deserts. Enjoyed this video? Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating wildlife stories. See you in the next one.